In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use A2 Hosting cPanel, with a full walkthrough to guide you through each section step by step. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your A2 Hosting customer portal. This is your hub for managing your hosting services. Once you're logged in, look for the section under My Services. Here, you'll see a list of your hosting accounts. Click on your hosting account to get started. Next, you're going to access your control panel by selecting the cPanel login. Clicking this will take you to the cPanel home screen. This is where the magic happens, and you'll see numerous sections that help you manage different aspects of your website. Let's go through them briefly to give you an idea of what each section entails. Starting with the Files section, this is where you manage your website's file structure. You can upload, delete, and organize files here, much like a digital filing cabinet. Moving on to databases, this section is crucial for those running dynamic websites. Whether you're using MySQL or any other database system, you can set up and manage databases right here from cPanel. Next up is the domain section. If you have multiple domain names or subdomains, this is where you'd set them up and manage them. It's designed to make the process of handling multiple domains smooth and straightforward. Now let's talk about the email section. This is where you can create email accounts using your domain, set up email forwarders, and configure various other settings to keep communication running smoothly. After that, we have the software section. This is the playground for developers and designers alike. Here, you'll find options to install applications like WordPress, Joomla, or even custom-coded software with ease. Checking on the metrics section next. This helps you keep an eye on visitor statistics and resource usage. It's vital if you want to monitor your website's performance and plan for any necessary upgrades in your hosting plan. Security is another important part of hosting. The security section is where you configure firewalls, SSL certificates, and other features that protect your site from malicious attacks. Now, optimization is key to ensuring your website runs efficiently. This section of cPanel allows you to tweak settings that can speed up your site and enhance the overall user experience significantly. Finally, once you've done everything you need within cPanel, don't forget to log out. This is a critical step to ensure your account and website remain secure, especially if you're accessing your account on a shared or public device. That wraps up our walkthrough of how to navigate and use A2 Hosting cPanel effectively. I hope this guide has been helpful and empowering as you manage your website's hosting needs. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.